What is happening, my Paris? Welcome to Vlogmas number 7. Day number 7. You know, see what happened? I miss out on number 6. But as I told you, we're trying. We're trying. But next time, next year, we'll do better. You know, so we're trying to miss out on a more day. But we had some footage, but we lose some of it. We lost some of it, you know. So putting it together, you know, it just wouldn't work. So we have to just leave it as it is, and we're just going to come again. But we know so I understand, I want to still support and still show love, and I'm thankful for that. So what is happening? One phone now. I hope if you're coming home from work in traffic, as always, I tell you, take your time and drive and come home. Maybe you're getting ready to go to work, the night shift there, that deadly night shift there. Yeah man, if you're getting ready, I will not have no other choice, so now have to do what we have to do. Yeah man, if you're at home, if you're chill, if you're working, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you just come home from one job and I try to take a little 5 to go another one, blessings to you. Blessed Friday evening to you. And I know by now you have all seen the topic or the name of the video or something. So I just want to come to ask you, Paris, remember some of that Jamaican? I don't know. I don't know if I just not have no luck. My first online shopping. And it's just, it not feel now, I don't know. I just don't get nothing all now. I haven't gotten my goods all now. I ordered I have two different online that online thing that I did, and both of them were done with eBay. Trust me. I think I did the very first one from the latter part of September. Yes. And I have been tracking, and one is saying, Paris, I'm shared with you, and at the same time I ask for no help to tell me what to do, because I need my money back. I do need back my money. And let me tell you, no, this is the very first time. I don't really know nothing about them, something they have such, you know. I am not, you know what I'm saying? Camera girl, she does it sometimes, and camera that time, but I just tried it on my own, and 2 different transactions, and until this day, one is saying that the agent that sold that product is no longer registered, trying to get back my money. I don't know. Can you help me? Can you tell me what to do? Okay, one of them is like $8 something. The other one is like $50. I need back almost $60. I need it. I do need it. I can't afford to give it to them. And the other one is saying for more than a month now, each time you track it, it is saying it is in transit, still in transit. Then what could I in a transit so long, Paris? So my very first time shopping online, shopped with eBay, and but I get nothing up to now. Somebody was suggesting that I try calling them. If you think I should call them, suggest just make a suggestion to me. Tell me, because I know you all have shopped with them before and all of that. And you know what happened, Paris? Sometimes if you follow your heart, I'm a person that likes to follow my heart. When I was doing it, you know, I wasn't feeling, you know, like I just never have that, you know, like I didn't have a doubt for shop with them. You see, I just want to do it. And the thing is, I see people shop, Mr. Camera Girl shop with Wish, everybody knows say, Wish take forever for come, and our stuff them come. And that same idea, that same transaction, each time you go on that tracking number or wherever, it is telling you that it is still in transit. Could it be that it is lost in transit, Paris? Help me, please tell me something. What do you think I should do? Do you think, because Camera Girl goes on and she says she's trying to reclaim the money. Yes, still there's a part she's not seeing, that where you are to some part here. She's not seeing that part. So, what can you tell me how to retrieve my money? The very first online shopping, and guess what? But not real at all. I don't know if I ever want to shop online, or if I do, I don't think I'd ever want to shop with that. But I think I want to shop with eBay again. Them leave too much of a bad taste in my mouth. So that simply means the one with the person that is not registered anymore, I might not be getting back that money nor the item. Nobody can tell me anything. That one is just, you don't know where it is, not at all. That's how it works? Or is it because I'm in Jamaica? I don't know, you tell me. Somebody has come now for share, for ask. It has been going through me from the other day in a party to ask. But me say, you know, me give it more time. Let me give it a little more time. Because, like one was saying, some date would have be like the 3rd of December. Or, so can you buy something from the latter part of September online and then, you know, get it till the 3rd of December? Come on. Come on. You know, so today is the 7th. And me still I say the same thing when we track it. Has that ever happened to you? What you want to suggest? You want to tell me? What you want to think? What should I do as a Jamaican? How should I go about retrieving my money? Because I'm trying, we're going back and we're tracking. But the camera girl is saying, just mom, there's just this place that something she's supposed to click on. She's sick now. She can't even come to share with you guys. She has the flu. She will go down with the flu. So, I'm just sharing with you. I'm just hope say somebody can tell me something in the comments or hook me up on WhatsApp and tell me, oh, I forgot about getting back my money. That is just what I want to share with you. And, you know, say, I always tell them, say, make sure, say, when you work for your blessing, when the time comes for you to collect it, don't make nobody come back sit out on the mouth. Because let me tell you, sorry, let me call them back sit out on the mouth. They will come, you know? So just hold the faith. That come, me hold the faith for things that eBay, something them are going to come. So, hold the faith, I'm sorry. Be strong. And sometimes you know how strong you can be, but you just have to be strong. So you know, I'm always encouraging and all of that. And holiday come up, I go on phone. Me just easy myself. I'm just working. You know, me I try to put up the 2 videos on the main channel, and I'm doing some cake orders. But me still, I'll tell you about it maybe in another video. I'm still reaching a crossroads with the. I'm stuck at a crossroads with the shipping. I am at a crossroads with the shipping. But I'm going to check out something tomorrow again. And then if anything, we can talk to them from there. I am at a crossroads with the same shipping story again. So this video is about shipping. For me to ship outside of Jamaica. But I have one more place to go and to think and to do. And then I will tell you about it, what is happening. I am at a crossroads with the outside shipping from Jamaica out. I'm at a little crossroads with it. But I'm still working on something else. So this is about bad shipping experience. This video is just bad shipping experience. Bad online, bad shipping experience. So look here. I'm going to leave you with this little proverb here. Cock mouth kill cock. We have been telling you that we are going to be leaving them, but from the other day we started and we never continue. Cock mouth kill cock. What do you know about that? This is like one of the little first time Jamaican proverb them. But me ask my Trinity people them, all of my Caribbean people them, outside of Jamaica, if you don't know about that little, you know, what you call that? That little saying, that little proverb or something, cock mouth kill cock. We'll review it. And we will what will we do? We will talk about it more and we'll try to elaborate more on it. Cock mouth kill cock. When me did little grow up, that me did hear from my parents them say. Dana chat man, me know she know. K-Lati, me don't read that know. Me don't know if less know. Maybe less my too young. If you know about it. Amaru, me don't know if Amaru and over here me and Pandis. Because Surinamese, they have a lot in common like Jamaicans. Cock mouth, kill cock. So, me gonna leave on upon the little ranting, the little online, me little shipping, me little online shipping ranting. Well, me not rant too much, I'm just disappointed. It's just just a soul disappointment in every way. So, enjoy the rest of your Friday. It is the start of the weekend, baby. Make sure so you have everything intact. Take it easy. Me and I need to take it easier too. And guess what? Just try to enjoy everything as it come along. And be good, be wise, be vigilant. Open your eyes. Yes? And try to remember, as we always say when we are leaving, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things.